Hello everyone, welcome back to BPO interview tutorials. I hope you guys are doing really well, and today we came up with an interesting video that is the continuation on the Scrum topic. So today we will see an interesting concept that is on incremental and iterative properties in the Scrum Master. Let's start today's video. So before moving to our main topic, I would request everyone to check our playlist. You will find the amazing videos on the Scrum Masters. You will find all the introduction, what is empirical model, like just check out guys, there are 3 more videos before watching this, so if you watch that you will understand the concept more accurately. I will also paste the links in our description, as well as by end of the video you will find some hints on our previous videos. Also check out our playlist. You will find approximately 235 videos that will help you in cracking interviews on the MS Excel, Six Sigma certification, trainers, team leader, operation management, project management, etc. So do watch, don't miss to subscribe the channel. Let's start today's concept that is on Scrum, iterative and incremental model. So both have a different stories guys. Okay, so we will start one by one, and somewhere you will find like both are accurately equal, but there is a little approach that needs to be followed in both iterative and incremental model. Let's start with first what is iterative development model. So let's consider a software example here, wherein in the software development, the strategy actually they focus on releasing a product before it's perfect, then improving it over the time through a series of small changes. So this is the iterative properties. So guys, don't worry, by end of this video you will find 2 examples that will give you a clear understanding on the iterative and incremental approach. So what we have done here, let's see an example. Imagine we have a team and we have asked to work on new project. Let me consider a website or application, and we are working on it with the help of iterative method. What we will do, the team will start working and building up the prototype and the functionality that they will think what user will value, including both critical and non-essential features. Then it would be release the complete app. In this way they will go with the approach and they will complete the project. This is the iterative property. Right now, what you have understood here, so they basically, suppose I'm working on a project, and what I'll do, I will pick up all the essential things, non-essential things what we required in the project. Then I will start building up the what I can say, the blueprint, the flowcharts, everything. Then I will start working on it. Now what I will do, I will release the complete app. So this is the iterative properties. Let's move to the next concept that is on Scrum incremental approach. So what is the incremental approach here? It's not Scrum, I would say incremental approach right now. So in the incremental approach, what we will do is we will focus on the application components or capabilities one by one, with the goal of perfecting each existing component before moving one to the next one. You remember sprint, what we have discussed in the last video, wherein we will divide the task in a different sprint. We'll complete one sprint, we'll do a testing and everything, then I'll move to the another sprint. Before moving to the another sprint, I will show that particular work what I have done to the user. So if he satisfy, he need a more for like updation or anything, we will move on that. Then I'll move to the another sprint. So I'll divide my task in bricks, then I'll start working on it. So you can see an example. A team uses incremental development strategy to create a website application, would start by identifying which features are absolutely essentials. So they will focus on the essential part, what is required for the project, and they will start creating a sprint about it. Now it would be then build on those core capabilities and carefully test and optimize them before releasing the app to the user. So they will basically test and everything they will do, then they will move to the app and they'll move to the user. Let's see agile approach here. So in the agile approach, time, they will use basically time box iteration method, wherein there will be a fixed start and fixed end time. The iterative and incremental approach comes with a many advantage. For an example, focus on important one, absorption of pivots or dispositive changes, and to ensure regular checks to learn can be incorporated from each iteration to another. The core objective of each iteration is to create the versions of valuable work, versions of the product no later than the end of its gather feedback and enabling and learning. So basically in agile approach, what we will do, we will use both the approach, iterative and incremental approach. because in the both the approach you have seen, guys, we are working very accurately on the project, right? But we have a certain start and end time. On the basis of that we'll work on it, right? So let's see an example so that you will understand the entire concept more accurately. Let's see a burger example here. In the incremental approach, you can see we are working step by step. First I will have a slice of a burger, then I will paste the whatever required items, then in this way I will complete my burger. But if you see the iterative development, what they will do, they will be ready with everything and then they will start doing the changes whatever is required. You can see the second example here. I'm creating a picture wherein in the incremental approach they will start one by one. First they will work on the hands, then they will work on the body, then they will work on the entire photo. But if you see the iterative, what they will do, they will create a blueprint first and they will work at a time on all the things so that they can give the complete project to the user. So these are the examples for the iterative and the incremental approach. Still have any doubt, please share your feedback in the comments section. Definitely I will try to help you out, guys, and I will give you more understanding about it. So what are our upcoming topics? Important, guys. Scrum framework, 5 values, 3 roles, 5 events, 3 artifacts, 3 communities, 1 activity. These are the upcoming topics, guys. Please make sure stay focused, stay alert on our videos. Click on bell icon so that you will get notification on all the upcoming videos, and that will help you in cracking your interview more easily. Don't miss to subscribe the channel. Have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.